Deepika and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about West Side sale haul. August 1st से West Side में sale चल रही थी, so तभी तो मैंने कुछ खरीदा नहीं, but I went like a couple of days ago and I got like few stuff for myself and my sister. So my sister and I we went to shop. थोड़ा लेने गए थे, थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही लेके आ गए हम लोग. वैसे तो मैं इतना शॉपिंग करती नहीं हूँ, but सेल चल रहा था. I was like, you know, why not? Let me save some buck. So I splurged quite a bit on West Side this time and I'm really excited. I got like really nice stuff. बहुत ज़्यादा सस्ते में मिला है मुझे ये सब actually. So if you're interested to know what all things I got, then please keep on watching. तो ज़्यादा तो कुछ नहीं लिया मैंने, but I got like 2 bags quite heavy. So actually ये जो first item है ये सेल में नहीं है, मुझे पता नहीं था कि ये सेल में नहीं है, तो मैंने ले लिया था तो, but I really liked it, so I just got it. Let's start with the non-sale item actually. This cute कुर्ता. I really like the color and the fit. That's why I got it. इन बैग्स में से काफ़ी चीज़ें, एक दो चीज़ें मुझे नहीं फिट आती, so but still I'm gonna show it to you all. So first up is this beautiful embroidered dress. Look at the embroidery, you guys. It's so pretty and it's like floor length. Next up is my favorite dress actually. Really like the detailing on the bodice and it has this puff sleeve and it's, I think it's ankle length, I don't know, I'm not sure. It is a bit transparent, but ठीक है, I can work with it. The fact that West Side के जो sizes है काफ़ी weird है. Like I am literally an excess in this brand. Like पता नहीं मेरे को कभी excess कब हुआ था. I usually wear M, मतलब the kurta that I showed you guys, this one. This is in size M. Next up, this my sister got it. 3-layered frills and the back of this dress is like literally stunning. It has this cut, but it doesn't expose much, so it's a very modest dress, but with some factor, I would say. Next up is this dress. My sister got this. This has this puff sleeve and this is also like ankle length dress. This is a Peter Pan collar shirt which has, again it has puff sleeves. What the hell is this? I got another kurta. I love the hand detailing. It's a pale yellow kurta. It has this pleated section on the front and the back. Then I got this blue crop top, ribbed kind of pattern. This is, love the fit of this top, and the fun fact about this is that this was for $699 but मुझे इस पे भी 50% off मिला है, so this was for $349. So काफ़ी मतलब almost all the dresses and tops that I got were, मतलब मुझे इस discount पे भी discount मिला. So they told me that after 15th August they were running a sale which is like 50% off तो है ही, but on that 50% off you will get more 50% off. I was like hallelujah. I got these brown cargo jeans. I love how it fits me. Sale price for this was 1,000 rupees and I had to pay just 500 for this. Discount पे discount हो रहा था, so I was like let me grab another pair of jeans, and this one has this kind of detailing. The shirt my sister got, this is how the crop top is. It has this cinch detailing on the back. Okay, so here's another shirt. This is beautiful lilac lavender, I don't know what color is this. Then I got this cutout dress. As you can see, this beautiful detailing is there. Back has this cinched detail. God blast me. And the last item from the sale is this. This is like the cheapest, am I right? This is also a cropped shirt. $299 पे भी I got like 50% off. So I basically just paid $150. मतलब यार I was basically paying $350, $150 for the dresses and the t-shirt. तो ऐसा लग रहा था भाई मैं तो बैंड्रा में ही शॉपिंग कर रही. तो it was so much fun. After a long time I think me and my sister shopped so much क्योंकि इतने affordable prices में मिल रहा था. बहुत मज़ा आ गया. अब तो मैं जैन का वेट कर रही हूँ कि मैं जनवरी में जाऊँगी और मैं फिर से ऐसी शॉपिंग करूँगी. This is how my sofa looks right now with a pile of clothes. But I think ये सब pieces ऐसे हैं कि I see myself wearing them a lot क्योंकि I love to wear dresses and I just want to be cash. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this haul and let me know which one was your favorite item from this haul. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.